We just commemorated Unity's World Day of Prayer. And Unity has a different way of looking at prayer than traditional Christianity does. For too long, mankind has been stuck kind of in this we are worms, we are not worthy kind of thinking, right? We are not worthy. So that's a mentality that Unity says, okay, let's go past that. This idea that looking at everything as this is awful and that's awful and you're awful, and it's like, nah. So hold on. What if we step out of that mindset of awfulness and difficulty and we go, prayer can lead us to the realization that we can make changes. We can have peace of mind in the midst of the chaos. What if prayer helped us develop more belief, more faith in the universal flow of good? That's the difference in Unity's affirmative prayer. It aligns us with the good in life. It still recognizes the bad, the difficulties, the problems. It recognizes them and it says, hey, I'm going to shift my mind. I'm going to align instead of the pain, I'm going to align with the power. I'm going to align and focus on the healing. I'm going to align and focus on the forgiveness, on the universal good. It's Unity's affirmative prayer flow. I don't know if you guys remember this, but several months ago we were talking about how to embody that prayer flow. I open, God is, I am, I can shift my awareness, and I can release. You want to try that? It's a way to embody it. Get it in your body. God is, I open, I am, I can, I release. Now you can take that same prayer flow into any issue that you've got. And while you may not go, oh, this immediately, magically, this issue disappeared, what will happen is that your mindset will change because you go, I open, God is peace, right? I am peace. I can be thankful for that shift in my mindset and release the unpeace. So try that sometime this next week with anything that you've got in front of you. It's the difference between loving yourself exactly the way you are while you're working on something. Because I know all of us are working on something. I'm working on stuff. So do I talk down to myself or do I talk up? Right, I talk up. I don't talk down to myself. I can recognize myself and say, yeah, this is the issue, but I'm going to align with the good. I'm going to align with the possibility. I'm going to align with the power. I'm going to align with the universal flow. In affirmative prayer, we mention the bad and we align with the good. We mention the difficulties and align with the possibilities. So talking down or talking up? We're talking up. That's the difference with affirmative prayer. So this kind of prayer helps us develop more of the good in our life because it helps us develop more of that positive mindset. And if you remember from last week, one of the things we were talking about is that we can make changes in our situations and in outcomes in our life through focused, affirmative, life-giving, positive thoughts. We can make changes. Sometimes they're small, but small is better than none.